Hi mga palangga, Bibu here, your Langga vlogger. Welcome to another travel vlog! And so for today's travel vlog, we're here in the beautiful island of Carabao Island in the province of Romblon. It's actually in San Jose, Romblon. So it's just an hour away from Caticlan Port. So if you want to go here and if you're from Iloilo like us, you can just ride a bus from Iloilo going to Caticlan Port. I think that costs probably like 500 pesos because us, we just paid 400 plus since we're just from Putotan. After that, there's gonna be like a terminal fee of 50 pesos per head, and then you're gonna pay for the pump boat or bangka for 200 pesos per person, and that will bring you straight to the island of Carabao Island or in San Jose, Romblon. Just arrived here and we're gonna start the day with, of course, a breakfast. So we already checked the room, which I'll be showing to you later. Kain kami dito. Actually, brunch na to. Supposedly, we're gonna stay for 2 nights, but then we just decided na mag-overnight na lang, and then we're gonna spend the rest of the days sa Boracay, which is just a few minutes away from here. So now, I'm not traveling solo because I'm traveling with some friends. Ayan, hi, the beautiful Esther, Reds. Okay, yan, the hairstylist, and the Pasarela coach. And this is our beautiful view while having our brunch. It's our first time to be here and I'm just so excited to explore the place. Matagal ko nang gusto pumunta dito because I've heard so many good things about this place, and also sa social media, Facebook Reels, TikTok, and YouTube. Sobrang ganda ng place. And I'm so excited to visit those tourist spots where we can do the mga cliff jumping ganon. And we're gonna do that today. Dapat tomorrow pa yun, but then ayun nga, change of plans. So ngayon na namin gagawin yan, and of course we're gonna bring you to that experience. We're just waiting for our breakfast to be served, or our brunch to be served. We're staying here in a room I booked through Agoda. It's called Edward Lodge. It's actually a big room. We paid 1,500, an air-conditioned room. Malapit lang siya sa town. I mean, sa town siya mismo. A few minutes away from the beach. Parang nilakad na namin mga around 5 minutes. I'll show you the room later on pagbalik namin after namin magkumain. And so we're gonna have our lunch na. This is the room that we got. There are 3 big beds. I think these are, ang tawag dyan? Queen size. Parang gano'n nga. Sorry about the color. Ayan, that's how the room looks like. There's an AC here. And a comfort room. Laki ng room, fairness. We're already done with our lunch and we're now preparing because we're gonna do the land tour. So sa land tour, yung rate nila dito is 500 per head. Isang person lang per habal-habal daw, sabi ni Kuya. Just gonna wait for the habal-habal driver and we're leaving na. Punta na kami sa mga tourist spots here in Carabao Island. Ayan, so we just arrived on our first stop. They call this place Kuding Kuding. Dati daw maraming tao dito, pero during the pandemic, this place closed. I mean, yung may-ari daw hindi na nila na-manage. So, ayan, dati daw dito may mga nag-cliff jump din. And merong cave dito sa baba. So, we're gonna check it out. But good thing is that walang tao dito. And there's no entrance fee na since wala na tao. Wala na daw nagmamanage. Ayun o, dito yung cave. Baka dito yung ano, yung nag-cliff jump dati. So, ayan, check natin dito. Parang may lagoon daw dito sa baba eh. So, nami, mama? Abe, ang anis? Dito. Check natin.
Hindi na kapaligo ang.
Hindi madanlog.
Mababaw lang yan. Hindi siya madanlog, Poch. Dito lang. Wait lang. Ganito mo, sir.
Okay lang. Ay, ayan. Tapos pwede ka lasot sa piya?
Hindi.
Ayan, pwede daw bumamba dyan. Basta mo sa kabila.
Doon ka turquoise.
Sayang.
Ben eh. Pa-espio ka, Ben.
Pretty girl.
Ay, ala, naka-video mali.
Ayun, so we just finished swimming dito. So parang siyang lagoon.
Yes. Hindi ko siya.
Sobrang clear ng water and sobrang sarap. Medyo malalim siya sa dulo pero kaya naman siyang nanguyin. And first stop pa lang.
May dalang
May dalang. Oo.
Hindi ka mo madlock dyan dahil malaki yun doon eh.
Malapad doon. First stop pa lang, nag-enjoy na kami. And thank you to Kuya for assisting us. So we're now off to our next spot. I don't know where, pero I'm excited. And so just arrived here on our next stop. And this place is called... Ang tawag dito, te? Cathedral Cave. And so we need to log in here before proceeding to the cave. And there's an entrance fee of 100 pesos per person. There are also like meals here. Silog and also yum burgers. Dito daw pwede mag-cliff jumping. Yung nakikita niyo sa TikTok. And some more reels and YouTube videos. And there's an entrance fee of 100 pesos.
David.
Ano dyan mga pitogo dyan o? Pitogo? Ay oo. The last time I've seen a pitogo was in Siquijor. Sa Pitogo Cliff. Meron din pala dito. Ay, nice. Para siyang sa Pitogo Cliff nga. Nice. Ayun na. Punta na kami sa cliff jumping area. Malalim daw dito eh. Pero we're gonna try it out. Ano tawag sa cave? Kuya? Cathedral Cave. Hi. Helmet on.
Hindi style. Ano? Dia, joke lang. Dia, maliligo lang tayo sa loob kaya mag-pictorial. Bale dito, dalawang yuko lang. Dito sa una, tapos sa gitna. Pagdating sa dulo, maliwanag. Di mo kita yung kubo.
Bali, bawal mag-picture?
Meron doon sa dulo, may white sand.
Bawal mag-picture?
Pwede mag-picture, video pwede. Bawal lang natin doon hawakan. Rock formation, stalactite, tapos stalactite. Bawal po natin hawakan.
Okay. Yan yung papasukin namin.
Ay! Wala yun tayo.
O, go running, alert doon.
Let the battle begin.
Oy, gago. Gago.
For the go na.
Magpunta na yan. Huwag ka na magbago sa ulo ko. Accident ba yan? Ano mo si David?
Ah.
Ano si Mahima ni David Kidigay siya? Daka.
Huwag ka na magbago ulo ko. Basta ka na.
Yan.
Hello.
Hindi umanoy. Charing. Ay, ala ka nami.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Vlog.
Kala.
Si Soras.
When was the last time I did this? Sagada po last na gumawa ko day. Years ago. Ay, ladalong dalong galing.
Super. May tubig daw. Bakit may tubig?
Oh, nice. Ano tawag ka gapadalom?
Pag sa taas ng stalactite.
Sure na.
Stalactite. Sisiling, tapos yung sa baba.
Stalagmite. Nice. Tawag ni? Wala ka matawag-tawag sa muna nga design.
Pag-provision.
Ay, una na sa.
Ay, ito odd.
Oh, cutie. Doon mga jellyfish.
Gamoy sa gani, oh.
Ay, pati oh.
Asan te? Oh, yun.
Okay, oh.
My God, did not expect nga ni katuan kapay. Super. Ay, cutie. Dapat may ginatawag-tawag makamuran. Ay, ano ang sa dalom yun?
So,
Oh.
wait, nyo na.
Hala, kanami.
Stalak ano daw?
Starlock. Agi na rin ako.
Ay, damo pagidi. Ara pagidi.
Hindi na pwede man oh. Hindi na pwede ka. Siyempre balik.
Ay, mabalik naman. Ah, hindi rin nga.
Hirap niyan sir. Pag dyan ka mag-exit,
May ano na oh.
tatalon ka, tapos lalangoy ka papuntang bal sa mga 8 meters.
Uy, grabe. Ayan, so unfortunately na sira yung motor ni Kuya, naputol yung kadena, and the problem is wala akong signal dito. Pareho kaming walang signal, so ayan, medyo ano, paano to, makikihitch na lang ako dito. Charing. Kaalis lang namin doon sa Cathedral Cave. And sobrang na-enjoy namin doon. Though hindi na kami nakapag cliff jumping. Dahil puro kami takot. Mga weak girls. Pero na-enjoy naman namin yung swimming namin. Sobrang ganda ng tubig doon. Sobrang lalim niya din. Pero good thing may nag-a-assist din naman sa amin doon na mga locals. So ngayon, we're supposed to go to yung parang Tagaytay viewing point. Ano ba tawag doon? Parang dun dapat yung last stop namin. However, umuulan kanina. And sabi daw ni Kuya is maputik daw and medyo mahirap daw umakyat yung motor doon. Nasiraan pa kami ng motor. Now, we're figuring out if paano kami makapag-ask ng help. Kasi nga, wala kaming signal pareho. And nauna yung mga kasama namin. Yan.
Dahil huwag kang ngipon gilabog to.
No, Todd? Ayan, so magba-barbie walk dito. Lalakad-lakad muna ako dito. Maghanap ng signal. Para makapatulong kami dito.
Mangani dyan sila lot.
Wa dyan?
May nag-west din sa amin.
Tambal bay na utlan ang kadena.
Wala mo kayo dyan. Wala lang ako. Dibahan?
Oo. Lapit na lang ah.
Ito na sila.
Dito na. We're here in Emad. And this is where we're gonna have our dinner for tonight. Let me show you how the place looks like.
May mga shake kami po.
The visa is very red, sister. The visa is very red.
Yeah, so this is what we're having for our dinner. Butter chicken, of course the rice, beef. What's this? Beef, basta beef siya. Sisig, pork shrimp, shrimp sinigang, and lumpy. Yeah, we're leaving now.
I see